Cuban cafecito is like a shot of...
No, I call...
I need help here, guys. No,
I can't say that on camera.
So, is the magic.
This is 10 points right here. Patria y vida. Let's see what you say.
Delicious. Also, appropriation season is coming up. The county's gonna have a few community project funding requests coming. A few requests coming up soon. Some community project requests coming. And so, I'm gonna go with 10.
I have confidence in Carlos Jimenez.
We've got a chance. Best cafecito.
Thank you.
It is probably my favorite part about it.
I get her saying this.
So some of the best cafecito I had was down in Miami at a laundromat. It was a recommendation from the staff at University of Miami.
Y'all are gonna want to take from this batch right here.
Oh, one more.
Perfect amount of sweetness.
Pretty good.
Run back to South Florida.
Yes.
We will be.
Run back.
That was made by Luke, who is very Cuban. He's from Mississippi.
Where in Mississippi?
So I'm from Maryland.
This is us.
Another dog. Secretary of Defense.
Yeah, there you go. Another day on the hill.
It's Calvin.
Hey, Calvin, how's it going?
What's going on?
This is the impartial cafecito judging commission.
Yes.
All right, I love it.
I'm feeling confident.
Italians will tell you that you're not supposed to tamp. When agitated is what makes the espumita itself. So failure to have enough of it will mean that you have the worst espumita you've ever seen.
We're hoping that this lives up to the laundromat. You can't find decent Cuban food up here, or cafecito, unless you go to FIU.
Yeah.
I'm so proud of myself.
It's great. You really should go see it. So they are proud of their cafecito too.
No more than that, like, comes into.
Getting an oaky flavor.
Right.
With some hints of sugar. There's an earthy tone to it, for sure.
I can tell you that the laundromat where I had the best cafecito in Miami is in their district. So there's something.
It's like we have every day. It's the best in America.
Day at 3:05.
We have the best coffee on Capitol Hill.
Confident. We represent Miami 305.
Yeah, we had a rounds of competitions here about who made the best of the colada. I won because I like my cafecito a little sweeter.
Chicken empanadas y croquetas de jamón.
You know how to make it?
Oh, for sure.
Yes. She likes a lot of it.
I like how you're layering it, little bits at a time, pulling it together.
Just try. Let's
Salud.
go. Yeah, salud.
But it's
Good. It's just it's creamier.
It was like he was making a cake. I think it's delicious, and I think we're gonna win. It's the talk of Capitol Hill.
Fantastic.
Everyone comes here looking for a shot.
Hands down, for me, it would not be a close call. Mi hermano Mario Diaz-Balart, I've had his team's Cuban coffee on many an occasion, and I haven't had Maria Salazar's just yet, or Jimenez's, but Mario and his team are right upstairs from here, and he and I have known each other for 30 plus years, and so we are partners, compadres, and his team makes a pretty awesome Cuban coffee.